In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore DNS records in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll have a clean, safe copy of your DNS settings that you can keep on hand and reference whenever you make changes or need to recover quickly. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign into your dashboard. This takes you to the home view where all of your domains, also called zones, are listed. Choose the specific domain you want to back up. Selecting the right domain matters, because each domain has its own independent set of DNS records. Once you're on that domain's overview, head to DNS, then make sure you're on the records section. This is the central place where you see everything that directs traffic for your domain. A and Hayes by A records for server addresses, synames for aliases, MX for email, TXT for verification and security, and any specialized entries like SRV or NS where applicable. It's a good habit to glance through and confirm the list looks complete and accurate before you create a backup. Next, look for the import and export option. This is the menu that controls moving DNS records in and out of Cloudflare. Open that menu, then choose export. Cloudflare will generate a zone file, typically in a standard text format, compatible with many DNS tools. Your browser will download this file to your computer. Save the file somewhere secure and organized. A simple tip is to rename it with the domain and today's date, for example, domain backup YYYMMDD.txt. Keep a copy in a safe location, such as a version-controlled folder or an encrypted cloud drive, so you can track changes over time. If you manage multiple domains, repeat the same process for each one to keep your backups consistent. If you ever need to restore, return to the same DNS records area and use the import and export menu. The import option is there to bring records back from a valid backup file. Before you do any restoration, review your current records and your backup file so you understand exactly what will change. Restoring DNS can affect live traffic, email routing, and third-party services, so plan the timing and communicate with your team if needed. That's it. You've opened your Cloudflare account, selected your domain, gone to DNS and records, used the import and export menu, and exported a reliable backup. Keep these backups updated anytime you make DNS changes, and you'll always have a fast path to recovery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.